Welcome back to the next lesson with the letter Ta. Ta. This is a heavier letter. The sound is a little stronger than the ta. You cannot say this ta, but Ta originates from the tip of the tongue, touches the upper portion of your mouth, right behind your teeth. So, Ta. Next letter is Va. 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 Originates from the tip of the tongue, touches the edge of the upper front teeth. Raise the tongue to read with full mouth. Va. Va. The next letter is Ain. Ain. This originates from the center of the throat, and you have to squeeze your throat at the bottom to make that Ain. Ain. Next letter is Ghain. This is also done by squeezing the throat. Ghain. Ghain. Right in the center of the throat. Ghain. As you can see. Ghain. Ghain. Next letter is Fa. Fa. This is more simpler, very simple. It's right in the front of your teeth. Fa. Fa. Much easier letter. Fa. Alright, we're now going to have our quiz now. Alright, let's take the quiz. First highlighted letter. Ain. Ain. Next letter. Ta. Ta. Next letter. Ghain. Ghain. Next letter. Fa. 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 Next letter. Va. Va. Fa. Ghain. Ain. Va. Ta. Just to go backwards sometimes helps. Thank you for watching again.